Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Stripe account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you change the name that shows up on bank statements for your Stripe transactions? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change the descriptor name that shows up on your customer statements anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you're going to get chargebacks. And if you have a descriptor name that's easy for your customers to remember, it's less likely they're going to look at your transaction and be confused where it came from. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Stripe account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into one of my Stripe accounts, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to change your descriptor name that shows up on your customer's bank statements, here on the top right, you're going to click on this gear icon. Once you do that, you want to go ahead and click in the search bar right here and type in business name. Once you do that, look for this line right here, settings, business details. Okay, once you do that, it's going to show you your business details. Another way you can find that is if we go back here to the gear icon. Okay, here is the gear icon again. If you look right here to the left, business, it looks like a little shop. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the top and click on business details. Okay, either way, it's going to bring you to the same place. So you want to look for this section here called public details, and it's going to show you your public descriptor right here. And to change that, over here to the right, you're going to click on edit, this purple button. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see the statement descriptor right here, and you can easily just click into the box and change the statement description as you see fit. And you can also change the shortened descriptor if you want as well. Once you're done, scroll all the way to the bottom. Once you get to the bottom, click on save. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to change the name that shows up on your customers' billing statements for their credit cards, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.